Hey guys, today I'm with my friend Danica.
Okay.
Why does my hair look wavy? I don't know, you probably got
Wavy hair.
20% battery low.
Okay, so
Let's just get this over with. Let's go straight to the video.
we're doing slime, by the way, just saying. And it's all my slime. I have 7 things, so.
We're gonna take turns going. We're gonna take turns picking.
Sorry, you can't see. We're just both gonna feel it at the same time. I just randomly pick. We're doing this one last. It's like, and it doesn't stretch at all. We're both doing it.
I'm gonna do this. Okay. Next one is a pink one.
Oh my god. It's mine. Get it out. Just get it out. It's gonna screw everything over.
And then after the galaxy one, I'm gonna go get mine. The crunchy slime and the other.
You can just go get it now. Why? So here's how stretchy this. It's pretty stretchy. But it does end up breaking after a while. Okay, so next, all the ones we've already done, put over there. Next, I guess we'll do this one. This one, Alexis made for me, right here. And it dyes your fingers blue, by the way, so that's why
Because I use
food coloring with your hair. And you should probably roll up your sleeve. It's pretty strong. Wait.
Let's kill it. I just killed it.
I don't play with it. Let's put this back so they can see both. Should we restart the video? Should we restart the video? No.
I'm like,
So, yeah, that's pretty stretchy. The
next one is cotton candy.
No, this one.
Storm beans.
She doesn't
Get it off.
You have to play fast.
My hands are bleeding out. Hold on.
And she's green. Okay, so. You guys see that that's bent? We had McDonald's tonight.
Haha, you didn't.
So this one's like super watery and not stretchy at all. Don't beat, it's mine. I made it clean. You want to bully me? It feels weird. Do this with it. Wait, no. Don't beat. Ow! That's why the skin dummied up the freaking slime. Next.
Cotton candy.
This one's my cotton candy one.
And I do these two.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
It feels amazing.
This is the one that I couldn't make a YouTube video because she just wanted me to come to her.
What?
Time I'll make it slime.
What? What? The last video you did? Comment, because I'm confused. And go check out my channel. It's Danica Quitson. I don't post a lot, though.
Well,
But I'll post. I don't know.
Because you gotta do the slime on my channel, so why do it on yours?
Because I want to do it on it. Mine. Feel. I like my cotton candy. It has pretty sparkles in it. I was like, okay. And the next two I made. I mean, the two that she has, I made.
But they're mine.
But I made it. And you made that one. Wait, I put this over here. And that over there.
I still want to go. Go for it.
Look at your hair. I love this one. This one's like, I made it with clear slime and liquid laundry Tide detergent and stuff. I have squishies in my purse.
Whenever I like to charge, put it in another one. I'm very squishy.
I only have two.
What kind? What? Oh, okay.
Just two of them. It's the two I have. It's hard to explain the other one. It was funny, the one you did, and the background music was disco. Really dancing. Next, well, last of mine is my Galaxy slime, which is my face. Look at it hit my arm. This is the most slime I have one time.
I love it.
I know you do.
Can I have half of it?
No. Please. No. You can't take it back. Slap it. Wait. Now slap it. What is this a thing?
One half.
Wait. You guys need to see this. This is amazing.
You're so close to me.
I know, because my legs are going like this. Okay.
How do you make this?
You.
Clear slime and
Pink, glittery glue.
so glue.
The glue's glittery.
So pink glitter glue, clear glue, and Tide.
Blue Tide. To make this fun.
Of course.
Okay, that's all of mine, and now the ones I made here.
Oh,
And comment down below which one's your favorite. I hate this is crunchy slime,
Okay.
but it wasn't room temperature. That's why it turns so like gooey.
That's the one that's so I love it.
And then
There's one on the bottom.
and the reason I just made her a little bit is we're gonna sample. The other one's not a sample. I don't have it anymore. Look how much this is. And so much now.
Because I see you.
I thought she was gonna throw something at me. I looked over, I saw it in the corner of my eye, the camera, I was like, no. We should do the Bean Boozle challenge on here. Do you have any more?
More of it, guys.
What?
More of it, charger. Okay. Not for a crunchy time, more of a little one. I do crunchy time.
Wait, I
I
want to show them.
them.
Show them how you open the lid and what happens. It's like, let me see the lid. Do you guys see the lid? She ruined it.
That's what it looks like. It looks like brains. I want to look at sometime.
Now do
Do what? Look at it, look at it, look at it. Look at this stop. I mean, like, we can, like, serve people this, and they would be like, I'm thinking about my money. Ouch. Did you guys both get in the shower? Okay,
Okay, guys, thanks for watching. You do, yeah.
I threw away those papers of Ellie. I have no clue who that was. But I had 2 papers on him. 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 Bye-bye.